Hello, parents. So, many mothers and parents often ask me, Nikita, what is that one toy which is must have for my newborn baby and it will be useful for very long term till like they are 1 year old or so? And my answer always is the wooden play gym. We specially have a 360 degree play gym which is specifically built for newborn babies who are very active and to improve their activeness and to stimulate their brain in multiple ways. It ensures the overall development of their brain and physics. So let us today see how to assemble and use this play gym in various different ways. So of course it comes with 3 legs and one top disc and 3 screws. So let us see how to assemble it. You simply have to take this leg. So if you see this slot on this leg, this is the bottom part of the leg and this disc comes at the top. So you have to hold this disc in a way that these screws which are visible, they are on the top part of it. You have to align this hole on the leg with this hole on the disc and hold it this way. Then you have to take one screw and fix this disc into it. You just have to rotate it. It's a one-my task. As you can see, I'm doing it all alone. Then take the next one and repeat the process of screwing the leg into the disc. Remember not to tighten the first 2 legs too much till the time you fix the third one so that it gives it some play in case it needs some adjustment, and once all the 3 legs are fixed, then only you tighten all of those together one by one. So here I am fixing the third leg, and this play gym, there is a reason I have made 3 legs to this play gym. The reason is that babies never stay at one place. They always like to rotate around. That's how they develop their brains. And because they rotate around even while lying down, if the play gym is only if it has only 2 legs, if it is only 2-dimensional play gym, when the baby will rotate, the toys will be hung over here and the baby will go somewhere else. That's why we need a 360 degree, 3-legged play gym in which the toys can be hung at different places and even the baby rotates around or runs around the play gym, that all the toys are still visible and catchable for the baby. So here we have assembled our play gym successfully. Now is the time for the hanging toys. Now one of the key attachments which comes with this play gym is this hanging mobile. Now this is Brainy Tots toy which we have gotten in India, and if you see there are 2 sides of it. One is black and white and one is colored side. So this black and white side is to be used till the baby is 3 to 4 months old, when their vision is still getting developed and they can only see high contrast images around. So use this black and white side by hanging it like this so that the baby is down there and observing the black and white side of it. Once the baby crosses 3 to 4 months, their vision has gotten developed to see a few more colors also. Then you can shift this colored side by inverting it this way. So now baby will be able to see the colored part of it. Now to hang this particular toy, you have to insert this thread into this hole at the center of the disc of it. And once you insert it in, you have to pull it out and hang it to the screw this way. As you can see, I have taken it up and you just have to straight these threads and hang those to one of the screws like this. Easy, right? So it hangs like this. When the baby will lie down on the floor, you can just rotate it and baby will be mesmerized with the spiral motion of it and the shapes which are getting formed inside this hanging mobile. So that way baby remains engaged for very long. It helps their visual development and cognitive development. So this is the hanging mobile, spiral hanging mobile. After this, there will be many more attachments on the sides. For those attachments, we have given you some cloth strips which are of adjustable heights. So this is what a strip looks like. it has Velcro attachments given at multiple levels. You have to. So we mostly give you these already assembled into the legs. In case if you have removed these for washing purposes, of course you can reassemble those. You have to fold this strip like this in half and then put it inside the hole on the leg. So if you can notice, there are 2 holes on each leg. So these are again for height adjustments. If you are comfortable with this height, you can assemble it in this hole, or if you are comfortable with this height, assemble in that particular hole. You just have to bend it like this and put it into the hole like this. Once it is woven into the hole, just fix this Velcro to the next part of it and this is ready to use. Similar way, you hang the other 3 Velcros, other 3 strips of the play gym. These strips basically are height adjustable, and that way when your baby is infant and they don't have much access to move, as they are not able to move in many directions, in that case you can just put it in the lowest positions so that they will be able to access those toys very easily, and once they grow up a bit you can increase the height of it so that they try to reach the toys on higher heights, and that way they'll move their hands and legs in more active way, so basically they'll be more active in order to reach those toys. And here comes the last one. Now once all the 3 strips are fixed to the play gym, next comes attaching the different attachments. This play gym comes with 3 neem teethers. These are the 3 neem teethers you'll get, and these teethers are made up of natural neem wood, which has got Ayurvedic significance in India. This has got antibacterial and antifungal properties, and also it boosts immunity. So the way to hang it is, you can just take any teether and put this strip into the teether and adjust the height as per your requirement and stick this Velcro to the other part of it. This way, it's so easy to just hang these teethers to any heights you want. So there are 3 teethers. You can attach these teethers to the 3 strips like this, or you can just attach only 1 or 2 as per your requirement and as per your baby's mood to play. There are more toys which have any kind of grooves like this. You can hang those also to these Velcros. These are very strong and they'll hold on the baby's strong grip also, so you don't have to worry about that as well. The next attachment which we give along with the play gym is the rainbow teether. This rainbow teether is so colorful. As you can see, there are 7 colors of rainbow to it, and once the baby starts developing his or her vision, you can just introduce this toy and you can hang it just the way you have hung the hanging mobile, but you just need 1 strip like this to hang this particular toy. Again, you have to just hang it this way. You just can put the ring into the strip and hang it this way, or if you want more height, you can just stack it up this way. You just use the extra strip to fix it like this, and this way you can hang it to your suitable height or baby's suitable height. Playing with this rainbow laces, with these rainbow laces, baby is not only developing the vision and the information about the colors, the knowledge about the colors, but the baby also is getting stimulated through various ways. For example, of course the visual stimulation is there because of the colors. The touch of it and the motion of it is giving the tactile stimulation to the baby. And this ring is again made up of neem wood, so even if you do not hang it and just give it in baby's hands, baby can just chew on this particular teether to satisfy that, to soothe those painful gums during teething. So this is what the rainbow teether is, and of course you can use it in various ways. When the baby will start walking or crawling, especially for the walking and running toddlers, they can use it like a kite. They can just run away with the tether, the rainbow tether, and these beautiful laces will fly with them, and they can just play it like a kite. So that is the best way a toddler can play with a kite. Now, along with this comes a mirror and a few emotion splash cards. So now here are the emotion splash cards, as you can see, with very cute images of small babies, which will stimulate your baby a lot, because babies get very much stimulated seeing other babies, and these are specially made to teach them various emotions and to generate empathy in them. So when the babies are small, when they are infants like in 3 to 4 years, I recommend to use the high contrast flashcards. So you can find those on our website very easily. We have those high contrast flashcards. You use those. There are some black and white, and there are some colored flashcards as well. Use black and white flashcards till the baby turns like 3 to 4 months. After 3 months, start using the colorful high contrast flashcards, and then introduce these emotion flashcards, which can be used till the baby turns 3 or 4 years old, to understand emotions and stimulate senses in them. So you can just hang these flashcards. And there comes a mirror also. So the mirror is also shaped like flashcards in the exact same size. And this is acrylic mirror. This is completely safe for babies. But I recommend not to give the mirror in baby's hands. I'll just show you how to mount it on the play gym. So these flashcards and mirror have the same way to hang. So you can just slide in this flashcard like this inside the play gym, and this way the baby will be able to see the flashcard very easily when the baby is lying down. Now let's say baby is in tummy time. Baby is on his tummy. In that case, you can hang these flashcards in the bottom part of the play gym. So every leg has 2 slots for the flashcards and mirror. So you can easily hang this mirror and flashcards inside these slots of the play gym. And the baby, so when you will attach all these attachments to all these legs, there is no way that baby will get time to see anything else than his play gym. The baby will be continuously occupied with all the toys hung to it. And of course, they are not only playing with these toys and not only observing these toys, but also they are getting stimulated, and their brain is continuously getting developed. Not only the brain, but because of the interaction with all the toys, all of their body parts are getting moved, and of course the muscles are getting developed, and they are getting stronger and stronger every passing day. So this is our play gym. This is how you set it up. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can contact us anytime through our website brainitots.com. So thank you so much, and many best wishes on your parenting journey. Thank you.